As kids, life happens after school. And sometimes potential troubles too. But for me, what I got was unwavering support to pursue my passion and dreams. Most people see the glamour that comes from representing your nation.
On the volley! Oh, what a goal!
Others may see it as a short and unrewarding career that can be ended in one bad tackle. What I see is an opportunity to pay it forward by supporting the next generation of aspiring footballers. Not just on the pitch, but most importantly, off it. I am Hariss Harun, and I see a world beyond the football pitch.